Good morning, children. Welcome back to your another session. This is session number 2 of chapter number 7.
Children, up till now we have learned that we can make squares, rectangles and straight line figures using the turtle. Now I am going to tell you that we can also draw a curve or a circle using the turtle. Now how do we do that, children? To draw the arc means a curve of 45 degrees. Okay, if we want to move it a little forward and a little right, so making one curve is of 45 degrees. So how do we make an arc, children? We write down repeat and repeat 45 times. What to repeat? Move forward 1 after turning right by 1. So turn right by 1 degree and then move forward by 1 degree. And repeat this how many times? 45 times. And then close the bracket. So as soon as you close the bracket, you see that there will be an arc. So this is a curve that is repeated 45 times of what? Of one forward direction and then one right direction. So to make entire circle, children, entire circle is 360 degrees. Okay, and we have already done 45 degrees. So again, if we want to complete the circle, what are we going to do? Either we can write repeat again, repeat by 45 and here forward by 1, by right taking 1. Again it will move and same way you can repeat the procedure. So this circle is complete and I write only once. Repeat 360 and 360 by what? Forward by 1 and right by 1. So I will get entire circle at once because the circle covers 360. Again I will move it up in upwards direction. So I am going forward by 200. So it will go up. Now again from here I want to make one more circle. So I am writing over here repeat 360 and how much? Forward 1. Now let me show you if I write towards the left by taking left, so LT1 and closing the bracket and clicking on execute. So here you see it has turned, the turtle has gone towards the left because I wrote left over here, and it has gone towards the right because I have written right over here. So a complete circle consists of 360 degrees, children. You have to take care. So in this way you saw how did I make it? I made using the different degrees, children. Okay. Now children, you can also draw different polygons. What is a polygon? As you have studied, a polygon is a shape that has 3 or more than 3 sides. So if I want to draw a triangle, triangle has 3 sides, children. So you can write down repeat by 3 and how much? Forward take 100 and rightwards take 120 degrees. So if I draw like this, you will get a triangle. Okay, so after triangle, square, as I told you, repeat by 4, how much? Forward by 100 and right by 90. So this will give you square. Again, for pentagon, repeat by 5 because a pentagon has 5 sides. So repeat by 5, forward by 100, and how many degrees you have to rotate it? You have to rotate it only 72 degrees. Children, how did I calculate 72? I calculated 72 by the formula of 360 means the entire circle it makes upon how many sides the polygon has. The polygon has 5 sides. So 360 divided by 5. It will give you 72. Okay, so I divided the number of sides by, I divided 360 by how many sides I want for the polygon. So you see over here, I got a 5 side shaped figure. Again, I'll clear the screen, and now I want to make a hexagon, means 6 sides. So the sides you need, you will write down repeat with the number of sides, and then in the bracket forward by 100 and right. Now write by how much? Divide 360 by 6. So you will get 60. And then you will get a figure like this. Then clear the screen, and if you want a 7 shape, now repeat by 7 and taking forward by 100, and again dividing 360 by how many sides? By 7 sides. So when you divide 360 by 7 sides, you are going to get 51 as your answer. So this is a 7 side shaped figure. So in this way you can make more sides. If I want to make an octagon, I'll write down repeat 8 times, and what to repeat? Take forward by 100 and go right. Now you have to divide 360 by 8. So you will get 45 as your answer. So this is 8 side figure, that is known as an octagon. Okay. Now if you want to make a circle, as I told you, a circle will require repeat of 360 because circle has 360 sides. And how many forward? Forward will only be 1 and right will only be 1. So it will make a complete circle. And if you want only half a circle, you will write down repeat by 180. First I need to clear this. So clear screen. Then repeat by 180, dividing 360 by 2. Half a circle I want. So forward by 1 and right by 1. So only half a circle I will get. And if I want only one arc, so I will write down repeat by 45. How much? Going forward 1 and right 1. So this will give me one arc. So these are simple figures that you have to take care of, children. Remember, whatever side figure you want, you can divide it by 360. If you want 8 sides of your figure, you will need to divide 360 by 8. 6 sides 360 by 6. 7 360 by 7. So in this way you can also enjoy doing the same. Now clear screen for clearing and clear text for clearing the data. So in this way you can also practice the same on your computers and enjoy your day. Bye bye. Have a good day.